Okay, one more thing for the record. It's been like maybe a few hours since I did my last video on here on this date. You tell me how birds outside chirping, I'm talking a lot of birds out there chirping late at night. You tell me that. This is interesting. It's impossible. I told you our world is going upside down and inside out. Something's going on here, and it's not natural. It's not a natural order. Please watch out for your families, watch out for everything, and do not trust your government or the world elite ever, okay? Something's amiss, okay? Remember those dead birds there in BB, Arkansas? Dead fish there in the same place in Arkansas, maybe a few miles away. All around the world, Sweden had some dead fish, even Australia. Hello? Be aware of your environment. Catch your Bibles. Watch it. Read it. Believe. There's something behind the scenes going on, and it's not a natural order. Just want to let you know. Until this next time, I'm going to keep you posted on natural order with the birds out there. I heard it. I heard it for like 3 hours out there from the last time I posted on here. It's not natural order. None. Period. Okay? Be aware what's around your environment. We're all in a world of dip, chips, whirlwind, evil. Okay? Be careful. That's all I'm saying. Good night.